You be copying me, man. See if I live. Yes, do you see my notification up there? There I am. That's weird. Hey everybody, this is Rich Fontaine again. Happy Saturday morning. I hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're fed. Hope you're healthy. I hope you're staying away from the Bud Light virus and the Heineken virus, and you're living good. Today I'm actually headed towards a workshop. So my talk today is, why do we go to workshops? I'm actually here with the beautiful Jasmine Zay. Oh, wrong way.
Fontaine.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting used to the beautiful Jasmine Zayas Fontaine. We're driving over to a workshop, and you know, from the last, I think we started really hitting up workshops maybe 2016, 2017. I know 2017 we were rolling in them. Yeah, from 2016 we keep going to these workshops. And why? Because usable knowledge is power, and the lack of knowledge is to everyone's detriment. It's our ignorance that keeps us small. It's what we don't know that stops us from growing and becoming the true versions of ourselves. And so we always try to educate ourselves, especially on things that, you know, our family didn't know or didn't pass down or didn't teach us, that you can't learn in school, that you can't learn in your community. So you have to branch out for people that are experts, that know what they're doing and that can teach you. And so we're going to a workshop actually on credit. We started trying to learn about credit because credit is a indication to wealth, meaning that if you want to start a business, if you want to own real estate, if you need a loan for, you know, vehicles, for like a transit car, like whatever business, if you're trying to gain ahead, you know, Robert Kiyosaki always talks about OPM, other people's money. And people won't lend you money if they don't trust you. And all credit is saying, are you trustable? Are you trustable for me to lend you some money? It's like, you know, if you're a friend of mine, you say, hey Rich, can I borrow some money? I have to think, how trustable are you that I'll see that money back, right? Is this a donation or am I lending you the money? It's a difference. And so what credit does, it helps you become more credit worthy or loan worthy. And me and Jazz have big dreams. And so we know that for us to scale, we need OPM. And so we want to build up our credit. And we meet tons of people that, you know, say they know things. But we met a person, actually from a friend I knew since high school, said, hey Rich, I know somebody that can help you out, from a legit person. And so those relationships are key. Again, trustability. I trust his opinion because I trust him. And now I met the lady at this workshop and she was really good. So we want to learn more about credit so we can build our credit. That way, when we are trying to get loans, when we are trying to get money, when we are trying to grow our business, we can do so. But we've done workshops on relationships, actually online, but we actually we're going to go to a real one. In person. We went to relationships about wealth building and money management. We went to real estate. We've done stocks workshops. We've done just being motivated workshops. We've done speaking workshops with Les and empowering with Tony. Why do we go to these things? Because we learn something every day. Like, I was just looking at our notebooks, it's full of notes. And you never know, you might be going through something right now that you may have wrote down in a note that can shift everything. Like, oh, I completely forgot about that. That's why we go to these workshops, because we constantly are learning. And the people you meet, the relationships you meet. I mean, I met Jose Flores through workshops. I met Brandon McCarthy through McCarley. I'm sorry, McCarley? Brendan McCarley through workshops. Sorry, Brendan, if you see this. My boy Cody Mannix and all these great people, Sharada and Wilkins and all these phenomenal people doing phenomenal things. Iris, through going through workshops. And those type of relationships, you know, you're with like-minded people that are trying to grow. Because if you go through your everyday, the club, the bar, even the restaurants, you're meeting people that want to consume but not build. And we want to be around people that want to build. And those are like-minded people just like us. So we want to build. We want, and if you want, and we're going to be doing workshops ourselves because we want to teach people what we know. So why do we go to workshops? 1, for the education. 2, for the people and the relationships that you meet. And 3, to expand, because you don't know what you don't know. And sometimes I go to workshops and somebody says, I was reading a book the other day from the guys that's actually make this workshop. You ever heard of Operation Hope? It's dope because it's actually a free nonprofit organization that helps build up your credit. While most people want to charge you and pay money and to do things that they might not even be good at, this person dedicated his life to helping others rebuild their credit. So check out Operation Hope if you're trying to rebuild your credit and you're trying to be credit worthy. And he said something in his book that threw me off, because I've never, of all the years, all the workshops, all the mentors, all the speakers, I've never heard that before. And so you're always learning something new, even about yourself, when you hear these things. Like, does somebody in the workshop on stage say something that makes me feel uncomfortable? Why am I feeling uncomfortable? So those are things within me that are blockage that now I realized, which definitely helped me in the Million Mind Intensive. If you haven't checked that workshop, please check out MMI, Million Mind Intensive. It'll change your life, because there's stuff that blocks that you don't even know about yourself that's stopping you from gaining the wealth that you desire. So long story short, why do we go to workshops is those reasons. And I just advise, if you want to, in your own journey, take workshops too. You know, we have an education bucket, an education account that we save money in just strictly for workshops and education. Why? Because it's important. You know, people spend billions of dollars in college for not real education that you can't practically use. But these workshops help you with education that you can practically use if you go to the right ones. Not every workshop is created equal. So do your research and reference people. Hey, have you been to that workshop? Cool, I trust Rich. If Rich says it, you know, I'll do it because I trust him. So again, the trust is so important to be credit worthy. And so that's why we're building our credit. That's why we go to workshops. And I hope you will do the same. Again, you know, this is Rich Fontaine with Power of Self Entertainment. Either you could agree with me or not agree with me. But either way, I feel that this was a successful conversation. Love is love. I hope you watch this. I hope you like, you share, you comment. And also, if you watch this later, please like, please share, please comment. And, you know, give me the thumbs up on that. And put in the comment section, you know, I like workshops. I'm ready for workshops. I'm ready to learn. Say I'm ready to learn. Put in the comment below, I'm ready to learn. Because learning is the key. Usable knowledge. Knowledge ain't power, but usable knowledge definitely is. Love is love. I appreciate all of you. And namaste.